Have you ever wondered if the very vegetables you thought would keep you healthy after 60 might secretly be working against you? What if choosing the wrong ones could be quietly chipping away at your bones, draining your energy, or making every step a struggle? The reality is, some vegetables can set off hidden damage in your body, triggering joint pain, kidney issues, or a sudden spike in blood sugar that feels just like you drank a soda for breakfast. It's no wonder that many people over 60 feel blindsided with fatigue, stiffness, or unexplainable aches. The scariest part, there are no warning labels. None of this is talked about at your doctor's office. And yet, research from Harvard and the Mayo Clinic suggests that these hidden dangers are all too real for older adults. I know how frustrating it is. You do everything right, eat your salads, fill your plate with color, and still, the stiffness, bloating, or heavy legs seem to stick around. Imagine, just for a second, the shock of discovering your classic potato dinner, the tomatoes in your salad, or your daily beet juice might be quietly stealing your independence, one meal at a time. Picture waking up one morning, struggling to get out of bed, only to realize it's not just old age, it's the choices sitting in your crisper drawer. Have you ever found yourself avoiding walks or skipping social plans because of nagging joint pain or fatigue that you can't explain? Do you notice your energy crashing after certain meals, or mysterious aches that don't seem to have a cause? You're not alone. In one study from the Cleveland Clinic, seniors with certain vegetables in their diet were twice as likely to have trouble with balance and energy levels. Why isn't anyone talking about this? I remember a patient, Alan, who prided himself on his vegetable-rich diet, yet felt worse year after year. It wasn't until we took a closer look at his go-to veggies that we found the hidden culprits. Or my own mom, who loved snacking on raw bell peppers, only to realize her morning stiffness disappeared within weeks of making a simple swap. So, what if your next trip to the grocery store could be the very decision that restores your vitality, mobility, and confidence? Which vegetables do you lean on most these days? Have you ever felt unusually tired, bloated, or sore after eating certain plant foods, but brushed it off as just getting older? Let's uncover the truth hidden in your fridge and transform the way you eat for the decades to come. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let me take you straight into the heart of the matter, starting with one of the most surprising offenders. Beets are often called superfoods. I've met people who swear by their beet smoothies, convinced these roots will protect their hearts and keep their blood pressure in check. But the story changes dramatically after 60 ET. While beets do contain nitrates that relax blood vessels, their silent downside is oxalates, compounds that bind to calcium in your body, ultimately making you more vulnerable to kidney stones and weakened bones. Seniors, in particular, have less efficient kidney filtration, so those sharp oxalate crystals are far more likely to accumulate. In one study from 2014, people on high oxalate diets saw urinary oxalate levels rise by over 40%. That's a recipe for kidney trouble, especially if you're eating beets routinely instead of just as an occasional treat. Here's what makes things harder. Oxalates don't just stop at your kidneys. In the gut, they sabotage the very calcium you eat for bone strength, hijacking it before your body ever gets a chance to use it. That turns your efforts to build bone into a losing battle, raising your risk for fractures, especially as muscle mass wanes after 60. You might ask, but aren't beets healthy for my heart? The answer is yes, for many. But at this stage of life, the risk often outweighs the reward. Still hungering for their vascular benefits, research suggests arugula and celery step in nicely, supplying nitrates with a fraction of the oxalate load, safeguarding both your circulation and your kidneys. Imagine swapping your morning beet smoothie for a crunchy arugula salad, watching your energy and joint health rebound. Now, after learning the first hidden danger, are you looking at your favorite veggies a little differently? Wait until you hear about the next one that might be hiding in plain sight. Green bell peppers seem harmless. They add color and crunch to everything. from salads to stir-fries. But for those over 60, they quietly join this list of vegetables that add more trouble than help. The main problem comes down to lectins, a protein that's part of their nightshade family defense. While small amounts are fine for many, research from the Mayo Clinic suggests that as we age, our gut barrier weakens, making it easier for lectins to slip through and disrupt digestion, immunity, and how we absorb nutrients. Here's where it gets tricky. Chronic gut irritation from lectins may drive slow-burning inflammation. Sometimes it's subtle, but other times it feels like morning stiffness in your hands or ankles, bloating after dinner, or leg fatigue that makes you hesitate before standing up. Ever notice that your legs don't quite cooperate getting out of a chair, or you feel unsteady walking down the hall, but your checkup is normal? For some, those are textbook signs of silent inflammation, linked to foods like green bell peppers. And don't be fooled by their color. Green bell peppers are just unripe versions of the sweeter, more nutrient-rich red or orange varieties. They actually contain fewer antioxidants and can leave you with all the downside and none of the protective compounds. While roasting or frying can lower some lectins, it doesn't get rid of all of them. If you've noticed flare-ups of arthritis, increased bloating, or general fatigue after pepper-heavy dinners, your body may be trying to tell you something. The easy fix: shift to red bell peppers or zucchini. Red bell peppers are fully ripened, with an antioxidant profile that supports healthy nerves and joints, while zucchini is gentle and has anti-inflammatory effects for your gut. Now that we've exposed two vegetables many of us grew up eating, let's turn to an even more familiar face in the kitchen, one that can quietly undermine your joint comfort and energy from within. Tomatoes might be the most surprising food on this list, synonymous with salads, sauces, and healthy eating. They have a flip side. Tomatoes fall under the nightshade banner too, bringing along compounds like solanine. For some, especially people with arthritis or autoimmune issues, solanine triggers a low-grade battle in the body, one that shows up in swelling, joint pain, or even odd muscle weakness and tingling. Ever felt strangely stiff after a big bowl of tomato soup or a rich pasta sauce and chalked it up to just age? Research detailed in the Journal of Neurology, Neurosurgery, and Psychiatry highlights that these alkaloids can interfere with nerve messaging, which helps explain why sensitive seniors can feel weaker, less mobile, or foggier after eating nightshades. Not everyone will react, but when solanine tips the scales, it's not just joints that ache. For some, it slows reaction times and increases the risk of slips or falls. A subtle, but dangerous, domino effect. If you recognize yourself in these patterns, perhaps waking up with sore hands after spaghetti night, consider swapping tomatoes with antioxidant-rich options like carrots, squash, or kale. And if you can't imagine life without tomatoes, stick to small amounts and pair them with olive oil or fish to reduce their inflammatory impact. Wondering if your favorite sandwich ingredient is holding you back? Let's move to the most well-loved food culprit on the list. The one found everywhere from holiday tables to fast food drive-thrus. Potatoes are the quintessential comfort food, whether mashed, baked, or fried. They conjure family memories and traditions. But white potatoes are also among the highest glycemic vegetables, spiking blood sugar just as quickly as a can of soda. As people age, our bodies process sugar less efficiently. Research from Harvard tracking over 200,000 adults shows that daily potato eaters face a sharply increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Each starchy serving pushes your pancreas a little harder, increasing the risk of nerve damage, heart problems, and chronic fatigue. For perspective, the glycemic load of a medium potato can be over 37, enough to send blood sugar soaring. But that's not all. Potatoes, as nightshades, bring solanine to the table too, quietly stoking inflammation for those who are sensitive. That potent 1-2 punch, blood sugar roller coaster, and inflammatory irritation can turn your favorite dish into a silent attacker of your energy, joints, and independence. If you can't imagine a meal without them, Try swapping in roasted cauliflower or carrots instead. Even boiling potatoes instead of baking can soften their blood sugar effect, especially if you pair them with leafy greens and a protein source that slows absorption. Isn't it shocking that so many healthy meals can turn on you after 60? Now, instead of another warning, let me shift to hope. Because some vegetables are true powerhouses, building strength, flexibility, and resilience day after day. Let's uncover the 4 vegetables every senior should eat for robust collagen, steady joints, and lasting independence. Broccoli, for many, has been a side dish endured, not enjoyed. But after 60, broccoli is one of your biggest allies. Rich in vitamin C, it provides the essential foundation for collagen, the protein glue that keeps your skin, joints, and bones youthful and resilient. Just 1 cup of broccoli offers about 80% of your daily vitamin C needs, ensuring your body continues to make new collagen. But broccoli doesn't stop there. It's packed with vitamin K, which works behind the scenes to ensure the calcium you eat actually stays in your bones, not floating elsewhere in your body. Older adults often lose both vitamin C and vitamin K over time, weakening protective collagen and bone structure. Including broccoli helps reverse these losses, doubling down on both collagen formation and the ability to anchor calcium right where it belongs. The research backs it up. A major study in arthritis and rheumatology found the unique plant compound in broccoli sulforaphane can actually block cartilage-destroying enzymes, acting like a shield for your joints. You don't have to eat mountains of broccoli, but 2 to 3 half-cup servings per week, lightly steamed or tossed with olive oil, can offer real, lasting changes. Adding a squeeze of lemon juice or a splash of vinegar not only brings out flavor, but also boosts antioxidant absorption. Have you dismissed broccoli as a bland side? It's time to give it a second look, especially if you've struggled with joint aches or slow muscle healing. Moving on to a vibrant green that often gets ignored unless it's topping a buffet display: kale. Long celebrated as a superfood, kale's power for those over 60 lies in its dense stores of vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants. Kale gives you nearly 90% of your vitamin C needs in a single cup, along with well over 600% of your daily vitamin K. That means it doesn't just build new collagen. It anchors bone-building calcium firmly in your skeleton, making fractures and osteoporosis less likely as you age. The antioxidants in kale, like beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, not only help slow skin wrinkling, but also defend your collagen against the microscopic breakdown that happens with inflammation, sun exposure, and daily stress. Research in the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who ate more leafy greens like kale had firmer skin and less collagen breakdown, on top of stronger bones and reduced fracture rates. Try mixing kale into salads, blending it in smoothies, or enjoying it steamed with a dose of olive oil for better nutrient absorption. Don't let its bold flavor put you off. Sautéed kale with a hint of garlic and lemon can easily transform into a weekly staple. Now, let's spot the third standout, one that might surprise you with its unassuming appearance: okra. To some, okra is simply slimy or unfamiliar, but what it brings to the table after 60 is game-changing. Okra's mucilage, the gel texture it's known for, actually acts as an internal moisturizer, soothing your GI tract and enhancing absorption of nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and amino acids, all key for collagen support. But okra goes further. Its vitamin C content is considerable, supplying 1/3 of your daily needs in just a cup, powering collagen synthesis and speeding tissue repair. On top of that, it's packed with antioxidants such as quercetin and catechins, which research shows neutralize enzymes that break down collagen. In the Journal of Food Biochemistry, scientists found okra slowed inflammation and preserved healthy connective tissue in aging animals. Okra's unique blend of hydration, vitamin C, and compounds that fight collagen loss make it a joint lubricant for seniors. You might start slowly by adding okra sliced into soups and stews, roasted with your favorite spices, or even lightly sautéed. Its gentle impact on blood sugar and cholesterol offers further defense against the age-related erosion of skin, bones, and cartilage. Now, here's the micro hook. Which vegetable is both a kid's lunchbox staple and a senior's secret weapon for vibrant, supple skin? The answer is carrots, often brushed aside as ordinary. Carrots are anything but. With their powerful blend of beta-carotene, vitamin A, and vitamin C, they support your collagen layers on every level, building, repairing, and shielding. Beta-carotene, the color pigment that transforms into vitamin A, helps repair the thin barriers that line your skin, joints, and blood vessels, key for quick, resilient healing. Vitamin C, found in every carrot, acts as fuel for collagen's triple helix structure, shoring up all your connective tissues. Studies in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirm that higher levels of beta-carotene directly relate to better collagen structure and slower physical aging in seniors. That's because the antioxidants in carrots' beta-carotene, lutein, and polyphenols fight the free radicals and inflammation that can unravel collagen fibers. The results: flexible joints, firmer skin, and fewer visible signs of aging. The beauty of carrots is in their versatility. Raw carrots deliver a vitamin C punch. Lightly cooked or roasted carrots release more beta-carotene. Enjoy them sliced with hummus, grated into soups, or roasted alongside other veggies. Pairing carrots with a few nuts or olive oil ensures you soak up all the fat-soluble nutrients for maximum benefit. Imagine if every meal you ate from now on started working with your body, not against it. Imagine waking up with fewer aches, sharper balance, and confidence that comes from feeling strong inside and out. We've covered a lot. Beets, green bell peppers, tomatoes, and potatoes, all popular, but riddled with risks for those over 60. Each one can quietly chip away at your independence by draining calcium, fueling inflammation, or pushing blood sugar out of control. But by focusing on true allies, broccoli, kale, okra, and carrots, you're not just fueling your day, you're making every bite count toward lasting strength, smoother joints, and brighter skin, all grounded in research and results you can feel. Think about how much time is spent chasing the next health fad. The truth is, sometimes it's about understanding what to avoid and what to embrace from the basics right in front of you. So, which of these vegetables have been part of your usual routine? Are there any danger veggies you now plan to phase out, or new allies you can't wait to try? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I love responding with personal tips for your specific needs. If this video made you rethink your plate, share it with friends or family who deserve to know the truth about diet after 60. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a healthy and vibrant life after 60. And check out the next video for powerful strategies on reversing chronic fatigue and supporting strong, mobile joints for years to come. If you've ever felt tired or struggled with joint stiffness after 60, this channel is for you. Here's to smarter choices, stronger collagen, and a future filled with energy and independence.